Morning, you guys. We are in Lombok. We are right now in Kuta. We've been spending very chill days for the last 2 days, and today we're going to start our road trip.
It's our first road trip. We even left one back in Bali at a friend of Angel, so shout out to Dea. So we can drive around on the scooter and be a little bit more free.
A little bit more free. We're going to head to Batu, which is right under Mount Rinjani, but like still on this side. And it's very known for its rice field, and we're also going to visit 2 waterfalls, and you're going to see that in this video. But we're very excited. Oh no, be careful.
A lot of driving.
A lot of driving.
So we're gonna divide this road trip in like 3 or 4 parts, so make sure to watch every one of them.
Yes.
And let's go.
Oh god, you guys. Oh my god, I'm not gonna look.
We have about 30 minutes left on this scooter ride.
Yes.
We've been on the scooter for
an hour. Yeah. It went by pretty fast.
But the roads are pretty good. It's fun to drive. It's dry still, so.
The view is fantastic. You start to see like the rice terraces, and also like a lot of locals. I don't think they ever see a tourist here, so that's really nice. It kind of reminds me of East Java, in the village that my family lives. So it's really pretty funny to see that here in Lombok. So this is how Onno is kind of like sitting.
Yeah, like this.
His feet.
Because there's no room.
Well, that's actually his bag. We left mine in Indonesia, in Bali.
Because otherwise, no chance.
No chance. And then I sit here, and my bag is like barely on the motorbike. It's kind of heavy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We just arrived at our hotel and we're pretty surprised about the room, so we're gonna show you it right now. Yo MTV, welcome to my crib. My name is Onno and let's go. First up we enter the main hall, which is pretty big, as you can see. We have our light switches, our chandelier. It's gonna come right here. 24K gold, full of diamonds. You already know how it is. Okay, follow me. I'm gonna go to my setup right here. This is my workstation. This is where I do all my editing and stuff, you know. All the music videos, I do it right here. Follow me. Over here, you see my walk-in closet. Damn boy. Got so many sneakers, so many stuff. So yeah, gotta put it somewhere nice. You know what I mean? To the master bedroom. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is where the magic happens. Got this king size bed. You know how we do. That was it. Now MTV, get out of my house and please don't come back.
All jokes aside, it's actually a really cozy room. What we didn't expect was this sharing bathroom, but like that's okay, we're only here for a night. But yeah, it's really comfortable. You have the view of the farm.
It's a pretty nice restaurant as well.
Yeah, they make really good meals, and you really have the view of the jungle right here. So for €7 a night, it's a good deal.
And apparently we also have the biggest wasp as a pet. Oh, it's still there. Isn't that biggest thing you ever see? Right beside it are small ones, like regular size. That's how you can see how big this one is. Where the hell are we now?
I don't know. We feel kind of lost.
So we're heading to Benang Kelambu Waterfall here in Lombok. It's near the Mount Rinjani.
Also where you can start the trekking.
Yeah, it's from the same point. We are hiking this path to the first waterfall, but we're not really sure how long it's gonna take walking. And most of the locals and basically everyone is taking the scooter. They're also allowed to take that.
Yeah, we thought, I don't think
it's gonna be that far.
Yeah, or you know, maybe there are like more people walking, but literally we're one of the few.
Yeah.
So this area, Batu, is really known for its rice fields and waterfalls. But these two waterfalls are an hour away from the village. Not sure what it's called. But Batu is really, one word to describe it is green, it's luscious, rice fields everywhere, and it's so pretty.
We made it to the waterfalls. Angel is vlogging over there. Check out the channel if you haven't seen it already. But we made it to the waterfall. It's quite good. We took some shots, we made some pictures. So check us out on Instagram if you haven't followed us already. You can see where we're at live, through our stories. What did you think of the first waterfall?
Beautiful, luscious.
Luscious.
Yeah, with the green. Like so much green.
It's very green.
Not the water though.
The water was clear. This is very dangerous. I'm vlogging down the stairs again. Don't try this at home. Guess what?
What?
Even more stairs.
People.
We are actually on our way to the second waterfall right now, which is Benang Stokel.
Oh no. Wow. Are we there yet?
Not yet. But this is nice too.
Look at that.
It's a fun road to walk. It's not too heavy, not too dangerous.
No.
Some nice views along the way. We made it to the waterfall and it's all ours.
Yes.
It's all ours? Ours?
All hour.
It's all ours. This is my favorite waterfall out of the two. Maybe because we're the only ones here, or it's just that beautiful. But it's starting to rain a little bit, so we need to go back to the scooter because we still have to drive for 50 minutes. 50 minutes. So we'll catch you guys at our villa.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to the crib.
Yeah. It's really cold a little bit.
We had like the worst road back
Ever. It was raining and
Google Maps just
fucked us up.
sending us on the worst road
ever. And it was raining, so it was kind of hard to keep my phone dry. My legs were shaking. My feet are white at the moment. So that's how cold we had it. And then the shower was also cold. I feel frozen.
This was part 1 of our road trip to Lombok. We hope you enjoyed it. We did too.
We did too.
We enjoyed it too.
Yeah, I mean like the weather is treating us bad.
Yeah.
but it's still such a beautiful, I don't know, like this island is really beautiful and you cannot top that view. So make sure to stay tuned for part 2.